Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see an inventory control tool called MINMAX Inventory Management. One of the most popular methods of inventory control and the simplest to implement is the MINMAX method. The MINMAX method attempts to keep current on-hand inventory within a specific range. Users set a minimum stocking level which when reached triggers to reorder to reach the maximum stocking level for any particular SKU. The calculation to reorder is simple. It is the difference between the maximum and the quantity on hand. At a basic level, the point of setting minimum maximum level is to avoid stockouts. But apps exist today that can help you to set min max level based on past usage of item and thereby optimize inventory level to save cost. So how do we set these levels? The minimum stock quantity of a particular item depends on several factors including lead time, safety stock, contractual orders, sales cycle time, seasonal demand, accuracy of sales forecast, and items review period. A good guide is to start at is minimum equal to safety stock plus lead time. When to implement this system? When used with a typical ERP system, the min-max method is ideally suited for newly introduced items that have no data history. It is also good for the items that are fast moving or have a predictable throughput. But managed with just ERP system, this method may leave you with over or understocked items, so you have to be careful. Thanks for watching. Bye.